In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from portrait to landscape in Canva. If you've designed something vertically and realize it would work better horizontally, maybe for a presentation slide, a YouTube thumbnail, or a wide social post, this quick approach will help you switch orientations without rebuilding your layout from scratch. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can see the top toolbar. Look toward the upper area of the editor for the resize option. This is your control center for changing dimensions. Click Resize to open the size panel. You'll see a list of presets, but to keep full control over your exact dimensions and switch the orientation cleanly, choose Custom Size. In the Custom Size panel, you'll find fields for width and height, along with a unit selector, typically set to pixels by default. Pixels are great for digital work, so it's a good idea to keep that setting consistent to avoid any unexpected scaling. Now, click into the width field so it's active. This is where orientation really matters. Landscape layouts are simply wider than they are tall. Directly beneath those fields, look for the small orientation icons. Select the landscape icon. The moment you choose it, Canva will flip the dimensions so width becomes the longer side and height the shorter side, keeping your units the same. This gives you a true horizontal canvas that matches your original size family, just rotated in terms of aspect. With the new orientation chosen, confirm the change by selecting Copy and Resize. This creates a fresh, landscape version of your design while preserving your original portrait file, so you always have both. It's a safe, non-destructive way to experiment and compare. After the new window opens, take a quick look across your pages. Most elements will carry over in the right proportions, but some content may need a little breathing room now that the canvas is wider. Headlines might benefit from stretching across the page, images can be centered or expanded, and any background shapes can be extended edge to edge. If you see anything that looks tight or off-center, a small nudge usually fixes it. Keep an eye on margins so key information doesn't crowd the edges, and use Canva's snap guides to line things up quickly. That's all there is to it. By using Resize, choosing Custom Size, selecting the landscape icon, and clicking Copy and Resize, you'll have a clean, horizontal version ready to use, without losing your original portrait design.